has no friends. Only followers.
We do not have the flag on our shoulders.
Hello and welcome to Cine Select. Netflix library in 2025 is bold, bizarre and has must-see content. These are not the usual films. Their stories vary from dystopian scenarios that feel a bit too real to psychological thrillers that keep your mind spinning long after the credits roll. We have thoroughly searched to find you the best Netflix movies available in 2025. So relax because the following few minutes may just determine your next movie to watch. Number 7. Stowaway. It is a brisk science fiction thriller from 2021 that examines the ethical and psychological difficulties of space existence. Directed by Joe Pina, the film tells the narrative of a three-person crew on a journey to Mars who find an unintentional intruder aboard their spaceship. The unprofessional visitor jeopardizes their meticulously prepared oxygen supplies in their lives, forcing them to make agonizing choices. As the crew struggles with regret, responsibility and selflessness, Stowaway creates a cramped vibe of despair by focusing on mental tension, human feelings or ethical concerns. In contrast to usual space thriller full of action and spectacle with powerful performance, spectacular visuals and a disturbing atmosphere, the film tackles important concerns about ethics and humanity in the context of life or death decisions. Number 6. To the Bone. It is a 2017 emotionally charged drama that offers a candid look at the difficulties faced by individuals with an eating disorder. The film stars Lily Collins as Ellen, a 20-year-old artist with an eating disorder who has tried many medical therapies with no success. But when she attends a community house run by an unorthodox doctor, she embarks on a challenging road of self-acceptance and rehabilitation. The film depicts the challenging reality of recovery while minimizing cliches, handling its delicate topic with compassion and understanding. Collins presents a truly sensitive and sincere performance reinforced by brilliant ensemble cast who add warmth and tenderness to the plot. Overall, it is an effective depiction of resiliency and the chaotic human process of rediscovering one's drive to move forward again. Number 5. I Came By. It is a 2022 dark thriller that combines social critique with nail-biting suspense. The movie centers on Toby, a disobedient graffiti artist who steals into affluent homes and tags them with his signature phrase, "I can buy." However, when he visits the estate of Sir Hacker Black, a revered ex-judge, he discovers a terrifying revelation that throws him and all those he cares about at risk. What starts off an uprising against the elite develops into a frantic game of cat and mouse with unfrozen twists that cast doubt on ideas of justice and power. Number 4. Triple Frontier. It is a 2019 action thriller directed by J.C. Chandor. The movie centers on a gang of ex-Special Forces soldiers who get together to steal the wealth of a drug lord in South America. What began as a meticulously calculated assignment quickly devolved into a nightmare as ethical limits shifted and the harsh realities of their decision became evident. Set amidst magnificent jungle vistas and violent battle sequences, the film balances intense action with several suspense demonstrating how the allure of money can break even the strongest connection. With its realistic tone, gritty realism and excellent performance, Triple Frontier is a gripping study of comrades and the cost of tragedy that will keep you intrigued until the very end. Number 2. Earthquake World. It is a 2019 psychological suspense film helmed by Ross Westmoreland. The movie takes place in late 1980 Tokyo and centers on Lucy Fly, a reticent Swedish translator who gets caught up in an enigmatic love triangle that devolves into catastrophe and obsession. But when her companion Lily goes missing, Lucy emerges as the top suspect, pushing her to deal with unsettling memories and the ambiguous line between innocent and guilty. Earthquake World is a fascinating and unnerving analysis of attraction, personality, and emotional loneliness. Number 1. The King. It is a 2019 historical drama featuring Timothy Chalamet as Hal, a rebellious prince who unwillingly inherits the English throne as King Henry V. The film is largely based on Shakespeare's Henry Plays and depicts Hal's transition from a disoriented young man to a seasoned king compelled to deal with betrayal, conflicts, and the great responsibility of leadership. With outstanding work from Joel Edgerton, Sean Harris, and Robert Pattinson, the movie is a dramatic and brutal portrait of medieval warfare and the brutal force of power. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel to see more videos related to movies and series suggestion. Thank you.